Now, the ayat of Surah Baqarah, Zalikal Kitabu La Raiba Fi. There is no doubt whatsoever in this book that has been revealed to you. The word raib is a very serious word in Arabic language. You see, shak, shubha, both of them are Arabic words. Shak and shubha both means doubt. Raib means doubt. La raiba fi. But what is the difference between shak, shubha and raib? So raib is something, for example, as an analogy, all of you who are sitting in this masjid, have any one of you for a single time in your life thought for the second time that the person I am calling him as my father is truly my father or not? Do you even think on this question? You never. It's an abuse to the mother. It's a serious crime, we think. How can I think this thing? So that faith, that firm faith with which you believe this person is my father, to believe in the Quran, this is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, your faith shall be more than you believe somebody to be your actual father. That is la raib. They don't think for the second time that whether this Quran is from Allah or not. It is 100% from Allah.